Morning parents, my name is Akshat Sinha from class 5A. So let us start with today's riddles. I have hands but cannot clap. What am I?
Can you repeat the question?
I repeat, I have hands but cannot clap. What am I?
Clock.
The correct answer is clock. I have 5 fingers but not a line. What am I? I repeat, I have 5 fingers but I am not alive. What am I?
Five fingers but not a star.
The correct answer is gloves. What is at the end of a rainbow? I repeat, what is at the end of a rainbow?
W.
The correct answer is W. I have a room but no door. I have a room but no furniture. What am I?
Mushroom. Mushroom.
The correct answer is mushroom. The more I work, I get thinner. What am I?
Candle.
The correct answer is soap.
Oops.
When I am young, I am tall. When I am old, I am short. What am I?
Pencil.
The correct answer is candle.
Oh, candle.
Which animal has 32 brains?
Leech.
The correct answer is leech. Which animal's eye is bigger than its brain?
I.
I repeat, which animal's eye is bigger than its brain? The correct
Octopus.
answer is ostrich. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೌನಿತ್. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ 4 ಕಂಬ, ಕಂಬದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಕಲು ಜಂಬ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಟವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದು